Hello students, today we will learn about control statements in Small Basic. In the previous chapter, you have learnt about the basic elements of Small Basic. In this chapter, you will be introduced to the concept of conditional branching and the various control statements available in Small Basic. In a computer program, statements are generally executed in a sequential manner. However, at times the user may need to change this order of execution by repeating or skipping the execution of a few statements, subject to a given condition. In such situations, the flow of execution is altered by the use of control statements. These statements play a very important role in programming as they help us in making decisions at runtime. There are various control statements in Small Basic which are categorized into the following categories: branching, looping, subroutines. Okay, we will discuss about the branching statements. In our daily life, we make decisions and take actions accordingly. For example, our plan to go to a movie will depend upon the availability of tickets. Conditions: Number 1. If the tickets are available. Plan of action: see the movie. Number 2. If tickets are not available, have food in a restaurant. Similarly, the computer also decides about the actions depending upon the validity or non-validity of a condition. Every decision involves a choice between the two alternatives, yes and no result. To implement this kind of decision making in any programming language, branching statements are used. These statements in a program specify an action to be taken only when a condition is met. Once the condition is satisfied, the execution stops. Let us discuss the different forms of branching statements available in Small Basic. Students, let us know more that the condition in branching statement is given by the relational operator: greater than, smaller than, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to, and not equal to. Students, let us talk about if-then statement. The if-then statement is the most basic type of branching statement. It is used to take decisions based on the comparisons. It checks only the true condition of the program and comes to an end. Syntax: if condition, then. Statements: and if. If the condition is true, then the instruction specified after then is executed. If the condition is false, there will be no output of the if block and the control will transfer to the statement written after the end if statement. Let us see an example. Example: write a program to check whether the entered number is positive. Text window dot write, bracket in, double quote in, enter the number, colon, double quote close, bracket close. Displays the entered value adjacent to the statement. Number equals to text window dot read number, parenthesis. If number is greater than equal to 0, then text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in, number is positive, double quote close, bracket close. Displays the message and moves the cursor to the next line. And if. If number is greater than or equal to 0. If number is less than 0. In the above program, if the number is greater than or equal to 0, then the statement written after then, that is, number is positive, will be printed on the screen. Otherwise, nothing will happen and the program will come out of the if block. Example: write a program that accepts the age of a person and check whether the person is eligible for voting. Text window dot write, bracket in, double quote in, enter your age, colon, double quote close, bracket close. Age equals to text window dot read number, parenthesis. Text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in. You have entered, colon, double quote close, plus age, bracket close. If age is greater than equal to 18, then text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in. You are an adult. and eligible for vote, double quote close, bracket close. And if age is greater than or equal to 18. If age is below 18. Students, now let us talk about if then else. If then else is another form of branching statement and is also called bidirectional two-way decision-making statement. If the condition given after if is true, statements specified after then are executed. But if the condition is false, the statements following else are executed. Syntax: if condition then statement 1, else statement 2. And if. Example: write a program to find whether the entered character is a vowel or a consonant. Text window dot write bracket in double quote in enter a character in lowercase colon double quote close bracket close. Ch equals to text window dot read parenthesis. If bracket in ch equals to double quote in a double quote close, or ch equals to double quote in e double quote close, or ch equals to double quote in I double quote close, or ch equals to double quote in o double quote close, or ch equals to double quote in u double quote close bracket close. Then text window dot write line bracket in double quote in you have entered a vowel double quote close bracket close. Else text window dot write line bracket in double quote in you have entered a consonant double quote close bracket close. And if entered character is vowel, entered character is consonant,